Hello students, we are going to discuss about method of expression, composition of mixture and solution. First problem, how many moles of K2CO3 will contain 117 kg of potassium? Potassium is a K. Basis of this problem, 117 kg of potassium. Atomic weight of potassium, all of you know, that is 39. Atoms of potassium. How to calculate atoms of potassium? The formula for atoms of potassium is equal to weight of potassium divided by atomic weight of potassium. So substitute the value, find out the answer. Atoms of potassium, 3 atoms. So you see the question, K2CO3. K2CO3 contain 2 atoms of potassium, is right. So the 2 atoms of potassium is present in K2CO3. So as per the problem, 2 atoms of potassium contain 1 mole of K2CO3. We are calculated value 3 atoms of potassium. So 2 atoms contain 1 mole of K2CO3 mean 3 atoms of potassium contain how much moles of K2CO3? So 3 into 1 divided by 2, that is 1.5 mole. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. So go to the next problem. Find the equivalent weight of HCl, NaOH, Na2CO3 and H2SO4. This is very important problem. So this is a big problem also. So the first one, HCl, hydrochloric acid. How to calculate equivalent weight of hydrochloric acid? Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by valency. If you know the molecular weight, if you know the valency value, divide the two value, easily find out the equivalent weight of the any component. So the first one, HCl, molecular weight of HCl. Molecular weight is nothing but summation of atomic weight of the compound. So here HCl mean hydrogen is present, chlorine is present, hydrogen 1 molecule, chlorine is a 1 molecule. So the hydrogen 1 into 1 plus 1 molecule of chlorine, 35.5 into 1, totally 36.5 HCl molecular weight. Valency of HCl, 1, the outermost orbital, H plus Cl minus. So the valency of HCl is a 1. Equivalent weight of HCl, molecular weight of HCl divided by valency of HCl, 36.5 divided by 1 is equal to 36.5. Are you clear? Go to the next one, NaOH. NaOH molecular weight. Molecular weight of NaOH means sodium is 1 molecule, oxygen another molecule, hydrogen third molecule. So the each molecules are present in 1 mole. The first 1 into 23. 23 sodium, the 1 mole, 1 into 23 plus 1 into 16 oxygen, hydrogen 1 into 1. Totally 40 molecular weight of sodium hydroxide. Valency of sodium hydroxide also 1 because Na plus OH minus. So the outermost orbital only 1 electrons. So the valency of sodium hydroxide, there is a 1. So come to the point, equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide. So molecular weight of sodium hydroxide divided by valency of sodium hydroxide, 40 divided by 1 is equal to 40. So in this case, sodium hydroxide molecular weight also 40. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide is a 40. So both are equal. So some special cases also. So this is happening, molecular weight is equal to equivalent weight is equal to C. Okay, not all, some special cases. Next one, Na2CO3, molecular weight of Na2CO3. So in this compound, 2 moles of sodium, 1 moles of carbon, 3 moles of oxygen. So 2 into 23. 23 is a sodium equivalent weight. Sodium atomic weight. Plus 1 into 12 carbon atomic weight, 12. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. So 3 moles are there, 3 into 16. Totally 106 molecular weight of Na2CO3. Valency of Na2CO3, Na2 plus CO3 2 minus. So here outermost orbital 2 electrons are there. So the valency of Na2CO3 2. So the equivalent weight of Na2CO3 is equal to molecular weight of Na2CO3 divided by valency of Na2CO3. Finally we got the value 53. So the last one, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid contain 2 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of sulfur, 4 moles of oxygen. So the hydrogen atomic weight 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 moles of sulfur, 1 into sulfur atomic weight 32 plus 4 moles of oxygen, 4 into 16, totally 98. So the valency of sulfuric acid, H2SO4, H2 plus SO4 2 minus, so that is 2 valence. Equivalent weight of sulfuric acid, molecular weight of sulfuric acid divided by valency of sulfuric acid, that is equal to 98 by 2 is equal to 49. Okay. Yeah. So go to the next problem. 98 grams of sulfuric acid are dissolved in water to prepare 1 liter of solution. Find normality and molarity of solution. This is very important. So normality and molarity is a concentration unit. So the concentration terms are concentration unit. So in this case 98 grams of sulfuric acid are dissolved in water to prepare 1 liter of solution. Solute is a sulfuric acid, solvent is the water, make a solution. So solute the 98 gram dissolved in solvent to prepare 1 liter of solution. So the find normality and molarity of solution. So you refer my lecture, important terminologies used in unit 1. So take the formula normality and molarity. So substitute this value, find out the answer here. Is that right? So students, keep in your mind every problem you follow the procedure, the how to solve the problem. The first 2 find, step number 1, step number 2 basis, step number 3 this is a solution, step number 4 answer. There is a result. Okay. So don't forget, you follow the procedure for every problem. So for this problem, question is a normality and molarity of solution. So basis given 1 liter of the solution, weight of sulfuric acid is equal to 98 gram, amount or weight, that is a sulfuric acid weight 98 gram. So molecular weight of sulfuric acid already were known. Molecular weight is nothing but a summation of atomic weight of the compound. The H2SO4 molecular weight 98. Equivalent weight of sulfuric acid is nothing but the ratio between molecular weight to valency. Valency of sulfuric acid is 2, H2 plus SO4 2 minus. So equivalent weight 49. So the next formula, normality. Normality is a question, is right? Yeah. So the normality formula, gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in liter. For this problem, the solute is a sulfuric acid. So changing the formula, normality is equal to gram equivalent of sulfuric acid divided by volume of solution in liter. So how to calculate the gram equivalent of solute or sulfuric acid? So formula for gram equivalent of sulfuric acid is equal to weight of sulfuric acid divided by equivalent weight of sulfuric acid. Don't forget, gram equivalent of sulfuric acid is equal to a ratio between equivalent weight of sulfuric acid to weight of sulfuric acid, or gram equivalent of sulfuric acid is equal to weight of sulfuric acid divided by. Are you clear? Okay. So then equivalent weight of sulfuric acid. So the weight of sulfuric acid, that is a 98. So the equivalent weight of sulfuric acid, that is a 49. So gram equivalent of sulfuric acid is equal to 2. So don't forget weight by equivalent weight. So once you are find out the gram equivalent, the substitute in the formula, already you have the value, given value, volume of solution in liter, 1 liter. So 2 by 1 is equal to 2. This is the normality. Second question, molarity. Molarity formula, moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. For this case, sulfuric acid is a solute, moles of sulfuric acid divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution already known or given value, take 1. Moles of sulfuric acid only we want to calculate. So moles formula, moles of sulfuric acid is equal to weight of sulfuric acid divided by molecular weight of sulfuric acid, weight by molecular weight. So weight is 98 gram, molecular weight also 98 gram is equal to 1 mole. Then substitute this value 1 by 1 in molarity formula. Finally we got the value molarity of solution 1.